Hey guys, how are you all? Today I am going to share you a nutritious curry recipe with mixed veggies, that is with broccoli, carrot, potato and green peas. It is having very good health benefits. It is rich in vitamins and minerals. It is having very good antioxidant properties too. It supports healthy digestion. It reduces chronic disease risk. It also supports healthy weight management. So come, let's dive into the cooking process. Now let's cook the veggies. I am taking 1 cup of broccoli, 1 cup of chopped potato, 1 cup of chopped carrot and 1 cup of green peas. Here I have taken raw green peas, and add 2 tablespoons of salt. Mix all the veggies once and let it boil until 100% cooked. After 5 minutes, it is completely perfectly cooked. Now take a strainer and strain the cooked veggies. Keep it aside for some time. Now it's time to spice it up. I am taking the whole garam masala here, and I am taking a kadai and adding around 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Add the whole garam masala into it. Let it splatter, and then now add chopped green chilies of around 3 to 4. Add 2 medium size of chopped onion. Let the onion soften. After 2 minutes, add the ginger garlic paste of 2 tablespoons. Saute for 2 minutes. Now add around 2 medium size of chopped tomato. Add around 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder. Salt to taste. Let it cook until mushy. Now add around 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of garam masala powder, 1 tablespoon of jeera powder, and mix it well nicely. Saute for 2 minutes. See how colorful it is. Now add around 100 ml of water. Mix it well and cook it for 1 minute. Now it's time to add the cooked veggies into it. As I have already cooked 100%, so we don't want to cook more time. Just add the veggies. Mix it nicely. Mix it well nicely, and serving suggestions is it will be very good for chapati and roti and also rice too. Add 1 tablespoon of pepper powder finally. Mix it well. Garnish with some cilantro or coriander. And that's it. The yummy curry is ready to taste. Enjoy the recipe. Serve with chapati or roti, pair with rice or use as a side dish. It will be very nice. Try it out and let me know how it came to you. Thank you all. Bye bye all.